'Tis the season for local and independent artists, and friends Dreadlight put out a special holiday gift box for any and all fans that wanted a special something for the holidays, gift-wise. So they sent me this very conveniently sized box. You can't see it, but their address on here is very small and very cute. So let's open this conveniently sized box, shall we? Yay, wow. Oh, goody, wow, stuff that I probably don't want to throw everywhere because I got cats. So festive. What do I grab first? Oh, we've got an awesome Grenadine poster, very limited edition. That'll go with all the other posters I need to hang up eventually and frame and find homes for. No. What is that? Look at all this nice, reflective. I do want to know where you got this like reflective tape. That's really cool. We got a Dreadlight beanie. A perfect fit. Oh wow. Oh wow. I was actually not expecting these lyric sheets to be actually so cool. Look at that. Handwritten on some cool ass paper of one of my favorite songs of theirs, because it's got one of the sickest guitar solos, I think. Wow, that's actually really, really cool. It came with look at that. It came with a little, oh god, there's shit. Don't eat this. It comes with one of Tori Arakandra's guitar strings, and this was a bass string used to record Chroma Part 2. I love the packaging this came in. This is actually really cool too. You guys are just so nice. You guys are just so. Don't eat this. What is, again, really cool little tape, little button. Put that kind of looks like based off of their Dead Horse music video outfit, aesthetic, fucking. And finally, we have a little note. Little card thing. Look at a little happy holidays little sticker. I don't want to rip the sticker though. Fuck. No! Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to rip the sticker. I can't get it to. Oh, I just ripped Tori and Cantra in half. You guys don't want to see this. Oh. I'm sick. Hey Jordan. Thanks so much for all your support over the years, from Neebies to Dreadlight. You've been there through it all. We've been busy with the holidays and working on Chroma Part 3 in between. We also just got some kittens, which has been taking up a lot of time, as you can imagine. We're not sure what else to write, so enjoy this festive drawing of you operating a train. Don't go too hard on us. We don't know train anatomy. We hope you have an awesome holiday. Torpedo and Condor. Look at this. Look at this art. Look at that art. Well, thank you so much, Togepi and Crustacean, for this lovely holiday gift. And for any other Dreadlight fans out there, you may still be able to get one. Go to their Instagram and look for a link, because I don't know where to put the link for it. Or just go to dreadlightmusic.com, dreadlight.com, I can't remember. I'll have the link texted right here for you to go and go look up the merch page and go get yourself one, because I very much enjoyed this, and 'tis the season.